Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Get ready, shall we make this deer gallop today? Wow, it's a motion that amazes many. It's very simple to learn it. Well, how to do the magical animation? Just draw the poses. I have drawn 6 poses by referring the textbook by Richard Williams. I am so hungry. Wow, I smell food. There's some deer. I can hear it. Oh, Sher Khan. Let's go hunting. Even I'm hungry. Oh, yeah, smelling the food. Always try to draw the poses in between 2 boundary lines so that they are of the same size exactly. Like in cell drawing we do. This way of sketching out the images by studying the poses of the character which you want to animate is the first and very important step in animation process. Watch my previous video for a detailed explanation on swapping. That's what I have done here. Import the image into the library. Press F6 in the first layer of the timeline. Click and drag the image from the library. Place it in the workstage, that is the white sheet which is seen. Right click on the image. There's an option. Click on that, convert to symbol. Save as movie clip. The first image should be a movie clip. Then double click that image after saving and then you enter the symbol. Inside the symbol, you have to swap the poses exactly by clicking the same F6 and then right click. You will get an option swap. Then click that and then choose the second pose and then save it. Same way, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. Refer my previous video. Wow, watch the animation. Trace or draw and color it, animate yourself, the concept is same. This book has it all. Just try it. Subscribe my channel for further basics and animations. Thank you for watching.